This video, I'm sharing 2 days of eating on the Weight Watcher Blue plan. If you'd like to see what I had to eat, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name's Patty. Thanks for clicking on my video. I follow the Weight Watcher Blue plan. I've lost 117 pounds. And in this video, I'm going to share what I ate for 2 days while being on the Weight Watcher Blue plan. Plus, I'm going to share a little bit about what I do in a day in Florida. Today, we're going out on the boat fishing, and I'm just brought some iced coffee on the way to drink. It's 1 point. Today we're heading out fishing. It's a beautiful sunny day in Florida. Hopefully we'll catch some dinner. Look, he's right there, right there. Well, they like riding with the boat. Look, they're right here. Can you see them? They're right here, Bill, right in front of us. So this is my lunch on the boat. I'm having a sandwich and an apple. It is going to be a 4-point lunch. I have 2 pieces of Sara Lee's Delightful White Bread with smoked turkey. It's like a turkey bologna with some mustard and a teaspoon of Miracle Whip Light. And that's going to be my 4-point sandwich. And then I have an apple. That's how we do lunches on the boat. Cheers! Sandwich time! Smoked white turkey bologna is pretty good. It's by Oscar Mayer, and it is only 2 loins for 3 slices. I've been doing intermittent fasting in February, so it is like 1 o'clock right now, so that's what I'm eating. My first thing I eat today, so it'll be a little bit different. My husband wants me to share my sandwich with a pelican. Boo, I'm not giving up my points. This is what we fish with, 0-point shrimp. This is a blowfish.
It's making a lot of noise, but it ain't blowing much.
Captain Bill. Wait. I just got home from fishing, and for a snack, I'm having 1 tablespoon of light cream cheese on a piece of red yellow pepper, sprinkled with some everything but the bagel seasoning and some watermelon. That is a yummy 1-point snack. So for dinner, I was going to make fish Florentine, but instead I will substitute chicken. I'm going to brown chicken fillets in about 1.5 pounds into a teaspoon of light margarine or butter and a teaspoon of olive oil, and I will brown them evenly on both sides. And then I'm going to put some garlic powder on the chicken and some salt and pepper, and then I'm going to cook them until they are cooked through, and then I'm going to pull them out of the pan and set them aside. Now I'm going to add another teaspoon of olive oil to the same pan with another teaspoon of light butter. And then once that pan is hot, I'm going to add a chopped pepper. It's about a cupful. 1 whole pepper is what I used, and then 3 teaspoons of minced garlic. and I'm going to saute those. And then I'm going to add an entire bag of fresh spinach. This one was about 10 ounces. And then I will salt and pepper the spinach and mix it until it wilts down. Then I will add 1/4 cup of fat-free half and half and 3 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese to the mixture, and once again mix it up. And then I'm going to add 2 ounces of light cream cheese and mix until everything is mixed together and softened into a creamy mixture. Here's my dinner plate. I had air-fried carrots, some wild rice, and the chicken served on the bed of spinach, and it was very good. Going out for a walk tonight. I have to get 10,000 steps in. I didn't get them when we take the boat out, so I gotta do a walk, and I'm reading a book, audiobook. It's called Lilac Girls. So that's what I'm doing. It's my book for February. Here's the sun setting as I take my walk at the end of a beautiful Florida day. This is how I drink my water. I get a gallon, I fill it up in the daytime, and I drink it all day. And I just pour the water from my gallon bottle because I leave it out all day because I don't like my water cold. I like it room temperature, and then it's ready to go. And this gallon container is pretty cool. It counts down the time. My last thing of the day is an iced coffee. I like stock iced coffee, and I fill it up about 2/3 full, and then I put some Premier Protein cafe latte. I really like that flavor. It's my favorite. Right there. Fill it up. Yummy, 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 yummy. Cafe latte. It is the best. And then I'm having a bowl of oatmeal. I make 1/3 cup of oatmeal with 1/3 cup of almond milk. And then I sweeten the oatmeal with sugar-free maple syrup. And I'm adding 2 tablespoons of the Safe and Fair birthday cake granola. With 2 tablespoons of granola, and that is a yummy dessert-like snack for me. Iced coffee and oatmeal. Sugar-free maple syrup like this one is 0 points for 1/4 cup, and it adds a lot of sweetness if you're doing some baking or anything else. So that is all she ate for today, and I am about to dye my hair, get rid of that gray. So I will see you in the next video, or I might see you tomorrow, because I might continue this. Good morning. Starting my day off with a walk. It's another beautiful sunny day in Florida in February. And I drank some water, and now I'm walking, and then I'm going to take you along on my day today. I'm having some breakfast before we go. We're leaving. We're going to take a ride to go to Tampa Bay Downs today. So, and then we're going to meet my sister-in-law for a dinner at a little restaurant by the Hillsborough River. So that's what I'm going to give you for my food that I eat today. And I'm going to eat something before I go, so I'm not tempted to eat food that may be way less than points. And it is a Friday during Lent, which I don't eat meat. So that's what I'm doing today, so I'll take you along. Today I'm starting off the day with 2 pieces of avocado toast. It's 2 points for the bread and 2 points for the avocado, and then I sprinkle it with some everything but the bagel seasoning. And then I'm having a cup of iced coffee, which I make with stock coffee, and I put some cafe latte premier protein. So that's 1 point. 4 points for the toast, and that is a 5-point breakfast. I weigh out the avocado for 46 grams. It's 2 points. That way I get more avocado for my points. I'm sure you've heard me say that before. Here we are walking into Tampa Bay Downs. It's a horse race track. My husband likes to bet the horses, and I like to play poker. On this night, we're going to Miss Vicky's on the Hillsborough River. I chose to have some clam chowder, some blackened fish, a few French fries, and some coleslaw, and it was very good. On the way home, we decided to make a Costco stop. So I ran into Costco really quick because I needed some Premier Protein, the cafe latte. I got a container of 18 for $24.99, I believe. And then I got some Apple Bear Baked Crunchy Organic Apple Chips. These are really good. They're only apples, but they come up as 5 points for a half a cup or 2/3 of a cup, but it's kind of pricey, but they are only apples, so I don't know why. And when I go to Costco, I always get a rotisserie chicken. They're only $4.99, and they are very yummy. And I got 2 spices, the salt, pepper, garlic blend, which looks pretty good. I never tried it before. And then a big container of everything bagel seasoning, which I go through a lot. Then I got some mini fruit bars. These also are just fruit with no added sugar and no other ingredients. They come up on the app as 3 points for 1 bar, but geez, when they're just fruit, seems like they should be 0. So I'm going to try these. I got a container of tomatoes. These are on the vine. They were only $3.49. Turn them around. These were only $3.49. They look really good. And then these pork chops are a good deal. They are huge pork chops. They were only $12 for 12 pork chops, and they are really big. And then I got the Fage yogurt. It is a big container, 48 ounces for only $5.99. So that is my quick Costco haul that I ran in to get after we went out to eat tonight at Miss Vicky's. It's on the Hillsborough River in the Tampa, Florida area. So that's it for my small Costco haul. My last snack of the day is I'm trying some fried bananas. I'm going to spray the pan with I'm using coconut oil spray. Then I'm putting a sliced banana in the pan. Pumpkin pie spice, about a teaspoon. Turned them all over, and I'm going to sprinkle the rest of the pumpkin pie spice. How yummy those look. And I'm going to take them off and serve them with some whipped cream and a little drizzle of caramel for a 0-point snack. Yummy. I topped it with sugar-free sundae syrup, caramel, and some fat-free Reddi-wip. So I hope you enjoyed my 2-day of what I ate in a day. I know there wasn't a lot of different foods, but I thought I'd share it with you. We did do a couple of things this last couple days that were kind of fun, and I just wanted to share it with you. It's the kind of things we do in Florida on a beautiful sunny day. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be up to date on all the videos when I post them. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.